31st annual general meeting of your company, Central Securities Clearing PLC. I now declare the meeting open.
That was the official opening of the 31st edition of the Central Securities Clearing System PLC's annual general meeting. CSCS is Nigeria's Central Securities Depository, licensed to carry on depository, clearing and settlement of all transactions in the Nigerian capital market. The board and shareholders deliberated on the company's audited financial statements for the year ended December 31, 2024 by adopting the reports of the directors, external auditors and statutory audit. On the matter of declared dividends, 8,800 million naira amounting to 176 kobo or 1 naira 76 kobo per share was recommended to be paid to qualified shareholders whose names are on the register as of April 22, 2025. On the shareholders' request for more dividends, the board explained.
All of this is also tied to the work of the management, the environment in which they're operating, and the guidance of the board to ensure that the values are sustained while pursuing the dividends.
As a CEO and understanding investment banking and valuation of a company, I think it's better that shareholders focus on the valuation of the company in public markets, and by extension, the share price of the company is more important than dividend or bonus.
All present, physically and virtually, agreed that the company did well and even recommended that it expands across Africa.
The board is just about now to work with management on another 3 to 5 year strategy. We're coming to the conclusion of the current strategy. And of course, as part of that will be everything around growth, inorganic growth, whether that's organic and call it, an expansionary strategy. Away from that though, when you look across the continent and across the sector, capital markets in Africa, you are seeing what I call a natural coalition around expansion. As a result of the AFCFTA and as a result of what is a long-standing market-wide initiative around the African Exchanges Linkage Project, where you are trying to link exchanges together.
And so on that basis, we're actually on the right track. So yes, he's right. It's good for all of us to anticipate the kind of growth that we're already talking about. And I think by the next year, when we have the next AGM, we are going to see remarkable progress in that area as well.
We are working with the Ethiopian exchange to see how we can sign an MOU to build a CSD. We had started working with the Gambian exchange to build a CSD for them before now. But you see, the way CSDs work is that the interconnectivity is number one. Number two will be the investments you make to build those infrastructures. But certainly, that is on the card. But we'll only go to markets where we think it's going to be profitable. We will not just go because it is said that we should cover Africa.
With increasing digitization, improved earnings, and strong shareholder backing, Central Securities Clearing System PLC aims to deepen its role in market infrastructure and investor confidence.